Hey there, fellow creators. So you're looking to explode your subscriber count, huh? Well, let me take you on a whirlwind journey on how I skyrocketed from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 9 days. Yes, you heard that right, 9 days. It all started with a plan, a clear, actionable plan. I didn't just wake up and hope for the best, I strategized. First up, content. I knew I needed something that not only grabbed attention but held it. So I brainstormed ideas that were not only fun but also provided value. Think tutorials, reactions, and personal stories that resonate with viewers. Whatever niche you're in, make sure your content stands out. Next up, consistency. This is key. I set a goal to upload a video every single day during those 9 days. Sounds intense, right? But here's the thing, each video built on the momentum of the last. Viewers knew when to expect new content, and that anticipation kept them coming back. And then, engagement. I didn't just post videos and vanish, I stayed active in the comments, chatted with viewers, and even jumped onto other social media platforms to interact more. Building a community isn't just about numbers, it's about connections. Collaborations were also a game changer. I reached out to other creators, some big, some small, and worked on videos together. This not only expanded my reach but also brought in audiences from other channels. Remember, networking is a superpower in the content creation world. Lastly, I optimized everything for SEO. Titles, descriptions, tags. I made sure they were all tuned to what people were searching for. And trust me, understanding SEO can really play to your advantage. So, there you have it. A mix of great content, consistency, community engagement, collaborations, and SEO savvy can really boost your channel. It worked for me, and it can definitely work for you too. Ready to start your own journey to 1,000 subs? Go for it and let the world see what you've got. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Here's to your success. Let's make it happen.